Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley in case you're new here. Today I'm going to be sharing 8 winter hacks to keep your skin looking fabulous and flawless all winter long. Now, if you live in a warm climate, but you still experience dryness and tightness, then this video would be for you as well. But for me personally, I have to take some extra care of my skin during the winter months because my skin goes through a lot. I do experience a lot of dryness, tightness. Sometimes my skin becomes more rosy, and then of course I do experience flakiness around my mouth. So I need to amp up my skincare game during the winter months, and I have 8 hacks here that have truly made a huge difference with my skin personally. Now, I have thrown in a few new products this year that I wasn't using last year, like last winter. There's also a product in this video that is really trending right now in the skincare world, and I have been testing it and I am so impressed. So wait for that little clip in this video. But until then, let's get right into today's video. I can't wait to share these hacks with you. So all of the products that I'm sharing, including discount codes and related videos, will all be linked below for you in my description box. Please don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell, as I would love to have you all here long term. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well, as it really does help to support my channel. The first hack is using castor oil. This is from Queen of Thrones, and this is the organic golden castor oil, 100% pure extra virgin. If you decide to purchase this one specifically, just know that you will have to pour this into a dropper bottle of some kind. This doesn't come with a dropper at all. Once you open up this lid, it just dumps right out. So I've kept an empty dropper bottle from another brand. I cleaned it out really well, and I've poured some of this into it, and that way I have a dropper and it's a lot easier to use. Now, castor oil provides deep moisturization. So when your skin is dry and tight, it's nice to use a little bit of this within your skincare. So what I've been doing is putting a drop or two in with my cleanser and washing my face that way with a little bit of that castor oil. Believe it or not, it doesn't make your skin greasy. It doesn't put a film on your skin, but yet it does provide more moisture. And when your skin is a little bit compromised, this really helps to provide that skin barrier support. It also has wound healing properties to it, and it also can help with improving skin elasticity, skin brightness. There's anti-inflammatory properties and antimicrobial effects. So this is wonderful for so many things, and I love using this in my cleanser morning and or evening. And I also like to put a few drops of this in my moisturizer when I need it. That is a great way to add a little bit of castor oil within your skincare. You can use this on your body, mixing it in with your body lotion, your body creams, your hand creams, foot creams. You can put this in your hair, which I haven't done yet. And a lot of people like to use this on their eyelashes, of course, which I'm not consistent with. But I love using this within my skincare, especially during the winter when my skin is dry. I probably wouldn't use this in the summer because I wouldn't need to. But when your skin needs a little bit of TLC, castor oil can make a big difference. Hack number 2 is using a humidifier. I know this is a no-brainer, but some of us need that little friendly reminder every year to pull out your humidifier, because this can really make a big difference, not only with our health, with our breathing during the winter months, because the house just gets so dry. And I don't know about you, but when the house is really dry, I start coughing. So it's really nice to bring in that extra little moisture that we're lacking during the winter. And my skin is so much better as well. It's like it's summertime again, where there's humidity in the air. Now, obviously, you don't want too much humidity in your house because that's not good. But if you just pull out your humidifier and just run it for a couple of hours, it really makes a big difference. A lot of us might already have a humidifier attached to our furnace. And when I have it on and when I wake up in the morning, my skin just feels and looks more youthful. It just looks a lot better. It doesn't look dry and creepy looking. It really makes a big difference. So I have the one from Dyson. It looks like this. I've had it now for, I want to say 4 years. And I love it. It's still the original one. Obviously, there are so many different types of humidifiers out there. But if you love the Dyson brand and you've been thinking about getting the humidifier from Dyson, just know that it's well worth the money. Hack number 3 is to incorporate a hydrating serum of some kind. Obviously, there are many options that I can share in this video, but there is one serum specifically that I have been using nonstop since November, basically, is the Biossance Squalane plus Firm and Lift Dual Serum. This is their newest product, and this is super hydrating. Your skin will look and feel incredible, I guarantee it. This has squalane, hyaluronic acid. There is a HydroLift complex in here, which will actually help to lift and firm your skin over time. There's ectoin, and the list goes on. This provides your skin with a lot of plumpness, and that's what I love most about this, because your skin just looks more full, it looks more youthful, and it gives that nice little glow to the skin. It's also super hydrating, and if your skin is ever super tight and dry, you're going to absolutely love this. This is also great to use to prevent dryness and irritation. This can help to repair your skin barrier, and this can also help to reduce the look of facial redness. So this has been a lifesaver since the weather has been really cold, and I love it. And you have to shake it to activate it before you use it. So you will notice that when you get the serum and as it sits, you will see that separation of ingredients. You have to shake it, and once you see all of these little tiny bubbles, that's when you go in and use the product. And I'm telling you, your skin is going to look amazing. You can pair this up with anything. It's a friendly serum that can be used with tretinoin, with active ingredients, and I love it. I really love this. And this paired up with the Biossance Copper Peptide Serum is so nice. Hack number 4 is finding a cleanser that is really rich and moisturizing, but also something that doesn't strip your skin barrier. The Inkey List Oat Cleansing Balm is a must. I have been using this for several years, and this is always one of my go-tos during the winter months because of how moisturizing it is, but also how calming and soothing this cleanser is as well. So yes, you can use this every day, twice a day, both morning and evening. You can use this to remove your makeup and sunscreen at the end of the day. And you can also use this as a face mask because this has oats and it has a lot of humectant properties in here. And oats do a really good job to calm and soothe the skin. So if your skin barrier is compromised, it's tight, it's red, this will be a great product to use as a leave-on mask for like an hour, maybe a half an hour. You can go 2 hours if you want to. And when you rinse your face off, your skin will feel incredible. If you do have any redness, it does help to eliminate some of that redness as well. It does leave this nice thin moisture barrier across the skin, but it's not heavy, it's not greasy, it doesn't interfere with other skincare products or your makeup. It just allows your skin to feel like your skin, but better. So this is a really nice one for the winter, for when your skin is dry. And like I said, it never disappoints. It's really affordable, and you are getting 150 mils of product. And a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot. Hack number 5 is to exfoliate, but you don't want to over exfoliate, especially during the winter. So finding an exfoliant that you can tolerate well too and be consistent with, like 1 or 2 nights per week, would be great to remove that surface dead skin. Because when we remove that surface flakiness, our skincare products that we use every day are going to perform way better. Now, I really like the Elemis Resurfacing Dynamic, let's say that again, Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. I like this one a lot because it just contains 1 AHA, lactic acid. And lactic acid is great for those that have dry skin, but lactic acid also has humectant properties to it, which makes this a really nice AHA for the winter months. Now, this does have fragrance. Keep that in mind. If you can't do fragrance, you may want to stay away from this one. I also really love the First Day Beauty Daily Peels. That one is great for sensitive skin. I do believe that one is a lactic glycolic acid combination, if I'm not mistaken, but it is fragrance free. And I also really enjoy the Dr. Dennis Gross peeling pads. I really like the Universal as well as the Gentle, and those ones are also fragrance free. But being consistent with your exfoliation 1 or 2 nights per week is really important during the winter. And whenever I'm using something like this, I will bring it down to my neck and my chest. And one of my New Year resolutions this year is to bring whatever I'm using on my face down to my hands as well, to exfoliate my hands. And that was actually mentioned in my New Year resolutions for skincare. So if you haven't seen that video and you want to see what I'm up to for 25, I will leave that video below for you as well as up here. But yeah, exfoliating during the winter is really important still. Hack number 6 is to use a thick, rich cream to keep the barrier nice and repaired. Now, the Avene Fate Restorative Protective Cream is game-changing. I don't use this every day, but I will pull this out whenever my skin needs some TLC. I will sometimes use this in the summer if my skin is having a rough go. This always brings my skin back to life. It always helps to repair that compromised barrier, and it is very thick and rich, and it's thick like toothpaste. I'm telling you, your skin will love this when your skin needs that TLC, and your skin will be a little bit greasy, I'm not gonna lie, so this might be a product that you might want to only keep at nighttime. It might be too rich to have underneath your sunscreen and makeup. You can always try and see if it would work for you, but great for sensitive skin. It is fragrance free. It has that copper ingredient in here, and it's lovely. Lovely. Hack number 7 is to continue with your sunscreen, right? We need to still be wearing sunscreen during the winter months, but find one that is really moisturizing, something to keep your skin nice and comfortable. This one from Drmtlgy is one of my favorites from fall to spring. I don't use this one in the summer because it's a little bit too heavy for my skin type, but the Drmtlgy DayDream Moisturizer is lovely. So this is your everyday moisturizer for your morning routine, but it has a built-in SPF 40. It's all mineral, it's broad spectrum, it is water and sweat resistant up to 80 minutes, and it has a zinc oxide of 17%. So I like this one for the winter because of how moisturizing it is. It's very rich. It gives my skin this nice little glow, but I also have that built-in SPF. Now, if I'm going to be outside for a long period of time in the winter, then I would maybe skip this and use a regular sunscreen where I can put 2 to 3 finger lengths of that to get that proper sun protection. But if it's cloudy, it's, kind of crappy outside, then I will grab for this because I'm still getting that sun protection even though it's a cloudy day, but it's still rich and moisturizing, which a lot of the times I am looking for, especially in my morning routine. And this sits really nicely underneath foundation and makeup, just so you know. So I just use this in the morning. I don't use this at nighttime because of that sunscreen. It has that nice push down style packaging, and I do have a discount code with Drmtlgy, 20% off using my code Sincerely Miss Ash. And this is also fragrance free, great for all skin types. And hack number 8 is the one product that is trending right now, and this is beef tallow. If you want me to do a video all about beef tallow, the benefits, what it is, how to use it, all of that good stuff, please let me know in the comments and I will definitely film a video all about beef tallow. I still might, even though you may not want it. I'm still gonna do it probably because this is very, very beneficial. I get the hype. I purchased this just before Christmas and I have been using it every day, twice a day since. The way that this has transformed my skin is insane. I'm telling you, this has been game changing. Great for dryness, great for tightness, great for redness. It's great for fine lines and wrinkles. If you have eczema, it is great for so many things. And I've been using this in replacement of my everyday moisturizer. This sits great underneath sunscreen and makeup, believe it or not. This is truly the best thing I have used lately. It really has. So this is by a small little Canadian company in BC called Own Skin Co. This is their Tallow Whip Nude Beef Tallow. Nude just means that this is fragrance free. They do have some fragranced options, but even though this is fragrance free, I promise you this has absolutely no scent whatsoever. Some people that I have seen reviews about beef tallow have said that it smells awful, it's disgusting. Maybe some brands are like that, but this brand, there's absolutely no scent. It doesn't smell like beef, it doesn't smell like anything. It is truly 100% fragrance free. Now, the only other ingredient in here is organic jojoba seed oil. So this is 100% grass-fed and finished beef tallow, organic jojoba seed oil. And it's 100% natural ingredients, and that's it. You're getting 100 mils of product. Like I said, they have some other fragranced options if you'd rather go that route, but I'm telling you, the fragrance free is great. All you need is a little amount. the littlest amount goes a long way. So I scoop it out and then I warm it up in my fingers, and then I start to slowly apply this all over my face. I might need to grab a little bit more for my neck, but this makes your skin so soft, so smooth. Your skin glows. It provides your skin with so much moisture, and this has been my replacement of an everyday moisturizer. This is what I've been using after my serums, after tretinoin, but before sunscreen and makeup. They also have some other skincare products as well. I have the Beef Tallow Lip Balm, and it's amazing. I've been using that before going to bed, but you can actually just take a little bit of this and put it on your lips if you want to do it that way. And yes, I put this right underneath my eyes, underneath the brow bone. I use this as an eye product. And I'm telling you right now, you guys, like, I cannot stress this enough how amazing this is. So if you have been thinking about trying beef tallow, I would say try it. Do some research, because I did go to Healthy Planet recently. That's a store in Ontario. I'm not sure if there's other areas in Canada that have Healthy Planet, but there was one product in Healthy Planet, I forget the brand, that had beef tallow, and I actually opened it up and it did have a weird smell to it. It wasn't awful, but it did have a little bit of a scent. So I get what people are saying. So maybe do some research and really find out if that product has a scent or not. I didn't know with this one. This was actually a blind purchase. I just thought, well, let's try it. If it has a scent, I'll try and make it work. And there is absolutely no scent. And you can also use this on your body as well, but I've been strictly using this for my face, and I am so impressed. So if you are a Canadian and you are looking for some amazing beef tallow products, check out Own Skin Co. I will link this below for you. Again, this is not sponsored, but they deserve some hype, and they're a little company in BC. So let me know if you want to learn more about beef tallow. I will do a video for sure. So those are the 8 winter skincare hacks to keep your skin looking its best all season long. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, that you found it helpful. Most importantly, I hope I was able to introduce you to something new today. Let me know if you've ever tried beef tallow. What are your thoughts so far? Let's get a conversation going in that comment section. And again, everything that I shared will be linked below for you for your reference. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and I will see you all then. Bye, guys.